Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, June 5th, 2026. Before I jump into these charts, I do need to mention, because I'm going to forget, that we put out two stock picks this week at wickedstocks.com, one on NewScale Power Corporation, the other on Recursion Pharmaceutical, both of which are on the precipice of significant buy-side recommendations, buy signals. Doesn't mean you should run out and buy them just yet. We haven't met the qualifications yet, but you might want to check them out at wickedstocks.com, where you can see it for free. We offer a 2-week free trial, and so you'll see those two stock picks, and you'll see next week's two stock picks and the following week's two stock picks. And you'll see your daily NVDA report, your daily SPY, your daily Triple Q report. Just like Tesla, we offer 3 other video analysis series on a daily basis. I can go on and on, but you get a lot for your subscription. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. This is a weekly chart, spans about 2 years or so, 2.5 years. And it was the testing of this 1-year channel bottom that is now at 354.65 about 2.5 months ago that set up a buy recommendation in this vicinity for upward rotation to its sister formation in the 440s, 449.28. This is an area that was tested about a month ago, was also tested. The market also tested a descending channel top at 448.95. So that area, the upper 440s, remains our overhead midterm resistance, able to contain buying into July, and below which you can play the short side. You may already be short, as far as I know, and anticipate the 354.65 formation yet again over the next couple of months. And in fact, what played out earlier this week was the settlement below this rising channel bottom that today is at 430.48. This underscores that we are now in a 1 to 2 week sell signal into the low 380s. We haven't seen the follow through. I mean, this was a Monday settlement below this structure, and we definitely challenged it during the week, but we're still below it, closing below it, continuous settlements below it. Will keep the low 380s in reach over the next 1 to 2 weeks, where we encounter meaningful channel support and a 5/8 downside Fibonacci over the last couple of months' activities. The low 380s well suited to contain selling on at least a weekly, possibly monthly basis. So this is an area, if you're a 2 to 3 week, 3 to 5 week swing trader, you want to take profits on a short position and may consider reversing and playing the long side, because from here we can round up on a multi-week basis. But overall, closing below 381.61 is certainly possible, given what I said about the upper 440s resistance and the mid 350s support. If we close below 381.61, we're a week or two away from reaching that 354.65 channel bottom, where we can once again bottom out through the third quarter and round up again into the 440s and climbing within 2 to 3 months. I've been saying how we could spend months trading inside of the mid 350s to upper 440s, both of which are climbing at the same pace. I think I've covered the downside pretty well. Overall, you want to be short either over the next few days or the next couple of weeks below 430.48, because we remain in a 1 to 2 week sell signal into the low 380s. On the way down, we still have 417.79. I just have this as an intraday support level. It is a simple trend line off the lows. If we break or open today below it, and we certainly may, the 418 handle settlement price, we could easily open below 417.79. And if so, 405.07 is in reach today. This is like a 1.5 week channel bottom that can contain daily selling pressures, but I don't see this as a 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside, just because we still exist in this 1 to 2 week sell signal below 430.48. So I think 405.07 is a solid zone to cover a short position. I don't see it as a solid level to enter a long position for more than a day trade framework.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
Closing below 405.07. While I doubt that today, but it is possible, we should see that low 380s within just a few more days, where we can once again bottom out on a weekly, possibly into July basis. Now for the upside, if we happen to push through 430.48 today, 435.52 is likely. That is an intraday resistance. That could be it for the day. But if we do close today back above the 430.48 formation, I do see upward continuation into this 445 or the mid to upper 440s. I'm looking for the right chart here. This is the one that I want. If we close today above 430.48 and you're a 3 to 5 day or a 1 to 2 week swing trader, you may consider exiting that short position, because I do think over the next 1 to 3 days we'll see a retest of the 445.23, a descending channel top on the daily chart. The same formation on the weekly chart is 448.95. So we skew upward with these weekly charts as your primary overhead resistance. You've also got the 449.28 area. So what am I saying? What I'm saying is, if we close today above 430.48, exit a short position if it's a 1 to 2 week framework, because I do think by some point next week we will push back into this significant zone of resistance where we could top out through July, and from here continue south to 354.65. Inversely, and I've mentioned this many times, that if we do close above this structure, 448.95, and above this one at 449.28 at the end of a week, and it's not going to happen today, but by the end of next week it is certainly possible. If we do, I expect a test of the 498.83 December high from last year within probably 3 to 5 weeks, and over the next several months, 2 to 3 months, 542.91 would be likely, with a settlement above 448.95. This 542.91 formation able to contain buying on an annual basis. And I think that's all that needs to be said. I'll be back, of course, Sunday afternoon with Monday's Tesla report, and you have a fabulous weekend.